Please listen in a safe, quiet and comfortable environment where you can relax without interruption. This experience is intended to support reflection, emotional well-being, and personal growth. It is not a substitute for professional medical, psychological, or therapeutic care. My nervous system believes I survived. Perhaps that is because I did. It stayed awake when I needed protection. It held me together. When I thought I might fall apart, it never stopped trying to bring me home. My nervous system believes I survived. My nervous system believes I survived. You carried me. Thank you. I'm still here. My nervous system believes I survived. My nervous system believes I survived. My nervous system believes I survived. I honor every part of me that learned to protect me. Even when it became tired, it never stopped loving me. Every heartbeat carried hope. Every breath carried life. My nervous system believes I survived. 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 You survived. You survived. You survived. Dear nervous system, thank you. You remembered danger so that I could remember tomorrow. You worked every hour without asking for recognition. Today, I am not asking you to change. I am only inviting you to notice this moment. Notice this breath. Notice this stillness. Notice the gentle rhythm beneath my feet. Perhaps, just for this moment, nothing needs to be chased. Nothing needs to be escaped. Perhaps we can rest here together. My nervous system believes I survived. My nervous system believes I survived. My nervous system believes I survived. Each calm breath becomes a new experience. Each quiet moment teaches something different. Little by little, my body discovers another possibility. Peace can become familiar. Rest can become familiar. Gentleness can become familiar. My nervous system believes I survived. And little by little, it is learning something new. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for carrying me. Thank you for never giving up. Together, we honor the past. Together, we welcome the present. One gentle breath, one quiet heartbeat, one peaceful moment. My nervous system believes I survived. And perhaps tomorrow it will believe in peace.